Sa kaya mo dyan?
Huwag yung takpan na yung lens. Nahawak mo. Tignan niyo yung screen dyan kung nag-video ka. Nakikita niyo ma? Makikita ma?
Dito din yun?
Oo. Okay. Huwag yung
Gender.
gagalungan.
Sa girl, ha? Botox area.
Okay.
This is the baby heart, baby stomach, and urinary bladder is here. And this is the baby spine, backbone of the baby. This is the baby head, brain. See, right? That's the baby brain. And baby eyes.
Mhm.
It is the nose, upper and lower lip. Can see the lips.
Ah, yeah.
And the face
Wow.
there. Okay, that's the baby face. For baby arm and the hand here. And baby legs. Both legs. One, the other one. And
Wow, ang
baby foot.
galing.
Okay. And this is the baby heart. Very active. Heartbeat. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay pa naman siya sa water bath.
Oh,
I mean, hindi pa naman siya nasisikipan.
maluwag pa.
Maluwag naman ang
Spine yan, ha? Okay, that's all po. It's a baby girl here.
Here again.
Bahay siya, nakabuka na siya.
Talaga?
Ayan po yung pagitan po. Yan. Ito yung botox
Talaga? Oh, yeah. Baby girl. Wow.
Sa girl. See, 3 lines, 1, 2, 3.
Ah, ganon.